beautiful, right? Gorgeous.
Yummy! I can't wait to eat this popsicle.
Yeah, me too.
Me too. Me too, Mommy.
I know you like some.
No, Mommy.
Hi family, welcome back to my channel. It's that time of the year again, summer. So if you're thinking of making something nice, a beautiful summer treat that you can enjoy with your family, with your friend in this hot summer season. Today we are going to be making homemade delicious popsicle, yummy, with all the ingredients that you get from your kitchen. Come on, let's get started. So this is what we're going to be using to make this popsicle. You need to continue watching this video in order to see other ingredients. Here is raspberries, guys. Raspberry, yummy. And here we have some cherries. I had to remove the seed, cut them out, a little job. So this is how it looks like without removing the seed. So yummy. This fruit is so beautiful, it's so yummy, guys. So we're gonna be using cherries too. And we have here some yogurt, and this is our strawberries and other ingredients I'm going to be adding plus. So here is our blender. We are going to be adding first of all the strawberries, cherries. It doesn't really matter, just mix everything together. Raspberries, just to sweeten it a little bit, and for more creaminess I'm going to be adding some condensed milk, just a little bit of it. Then I went ahead and added half cup of whole milk. You can see the amount, you don't need a lot, so that I can blend smoothly and give us that perfect consistency that we deserve. Let's go ahead and blend this together. Hopefully, yeah. Everything is smoothed up. Look at it, the perfect consistency that I want. Now the next step is the foam part. So I brought out my silicone popsicle mold that I got from Amazon. There's a whole lot of them there. Just choose this one. Is beautiful, it's reusable. You can use it more and more, over and over again. So we are going to be using this thing. We just scoop everything inside this silicone popsicle mold and freeze. So the silicone mold also came with the stick. You don't have to start looking for the stick elsewhere in the store. So this is just perfect. Let's start scooping now. Ready. I actually left this overnight because yesterday it was already late, so I decided to just leave it overnight so that I can get all the result that I want. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh,
So wet.
yeah. Who wants some popsicles? Out
So we can eat
gently.
it.
Look at this!
Can I eat
Perfect! Look at that, look at that. Look at how beautiful it's looking. Look at that. Perfect popsicle.
some? Can we eat some?
Of course. You can eat some. Wow. Wait. Can you please wait? Oh my God. I see everything. Beautiful, right? Gorgeous.
Yummy! I can't wait to eat
Gorgeous.
this popsicle.
Yeah, me too.
Me too. Me too, mommy.
I know you like some.
Yeah, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I
Wow.
love the popsicles.
I love the popsicles too.
Mommy.
Do you like some? Hey, come on, have some. Come on. Here you go. Say thank you, mommy. Say thank you, mommy. Come on, Chagazem. Yummy, right? Yay!
This is the best popsicle ever.
Yay! So this popsicle actually came with some leather bag. Look at it here. Where you can store your leftover popsicle and put them in the freezer to enjoy some other time. So here you carefully remove this. Yeah. And has some opening. Just slide in your popsicle through it. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm becoming a popsicle seller. Anywhere. Who wants some popsicle? Look at that, guys.
Slide
Slide the
your popsicle.
popsicle.
And then you
Wrap it up.
wrap it up.
This is so delicious. We are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you leave the notification bell button so that you get notified whenever we post our video. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye.
This is popsicle.
So good.